Niggas think you got freestyle. Okay, check this out. I'm getting my killer mode. Check this out. Yo. Girls all on me cause they wanna suck my dick, cause I know I go hard, first round draft pick. I'm the motherfucking truth, got your sentence in your mind. Hell yeah, I'm going hard, yeah, I'm about to cause a crime. You better call a corner cause they about to wrap your body. I ain't playing with you niggas, Kuma or Toddy, and I don't give a damn. Take the soul out your body, drink it through a straw cause I know I'm a swag hottie, but I'm swinging on you hoes, pulling off your clothes. Hell yeah, you got no moderance for your motherfucking family. It should be a tragedy. Chop you up in pieces, then eat hoes through you like a motherfucking Reese's. I don't give a fuck throwing the deuces to you people, cause I'm 5 deuce Hoover to the day a nigga gone. Laying in my casket, looking like a G. I don't really give a fuck, this the sorrow of a G. I'm still spitting tunes cause I know I'm so corrupt. You can catch me on the streets and I ain't leaving, so what? Till them cops wanna get me, hit your ass with that chopper. Chop his ass up and make him look like Talapa. Niggas better ask about me, the IQs of a legend. Going so hard, dogs about to go to heaven. Niggas better understand I'm a damn veteran in this game playing Tekken. Play it like chess and I ain't playing you a stress, but I promise that you can't even cause no mess. Just with that drama shit you can't even test, cause I wet your click up and let them feel they chest. Rip they skin back and make they mamas cry to rest. The story being told cause I know I'm on this road. This that freestyle king shit. Bitch, you can't run it, cause if you niggas run it, then I promise I'ma gun it. Pull that chopper out and let it spin. I ain't lying, rip your skin back out and send your ass to the pen. You getting small money, but you're causing big shit. If you're causing big shit and then your paper ain't rich, nigga, you going to jail. See you in that cell, we gon' take all your mail. And fuck your bitch, fuck around and fuck your mama, and then feed your family fish. Got them fishing at the lake, but they throw it in their minds. Run their ass over and then drown they kids, cause I'm so damn gone. Eating baby guts, ripping baby nuts, we don't even give a fuck. EBK every day, niggas better get back before I make that drum come up out that fucking Gizak. Hit you with that hammer, how you feel now? Got you dreaming, yeah, your mind real gone on a different damn planet. Found another planet, man, this shit real. Niggas getting killed, young niggas totally still, but I promise I'm day one to the day that I'm gone. Preacher telling the truth, I'm just hearing it in these songs, but I don't give a fuck, cause he just a fucking human being. How can you tell me something, nigga, you's a world fiend? I ain't fiending though, nigga, I'm just dreaming though. Cock my gun back, I'm on this battlefield, I'm driven slow. I'm trying to get it right, my occupation fucked up. This is freestyle, you niggas don't want it.